Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a super simple yet powerful bookkeeping template right inside Google Sheets. Whether you're running a small business, freelancing, or just want to keep an eye on your finances, having a straightforward bookkeeping system can make a world of difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to input transactions, automatically track your balances, and see your total income and expenses at a glance. No complicated accounting software required. Let's dive right in. First, let's grab some sample data to work with. Don't worry if you're not a spreadsheet expert, I'll walk you through each step. Imagine you have a small business, you make an online sale, pay for some software, get paid by a client, spend a little on advertising, cover your office rent, and maybe make another sale. You want to track each of these, see how much money is coming in and going out, and most importantly, always know your current balance. Start by opening a brand new Google Sheet. You'll want to paste in your sample data, starting from cell A1. Your table should have 6 columns: date, description, category, income, expense, and balance. For each transaction, enter the date, a short description, the category, and the amount, either in the income or expense column depending if it's money in or money out. The balance will let Google Sheets calculate for us in a minute. With your data in place, let's automate that balance column. Why do we do this? Because manually tracking your running total is both time-consuming and prone to mistakes, especially as your transactions grow. So here's how to make Google Sheets do the heavy lifting. In the first row underneath the balance header, which should be cell F2, type the formula, equals if E2 equals D2 E2. Essentially, what this tells Google Sheets is, if there's no expense, meaning the cell is empty, just use the income amount. If there is an expense, use the negative of that number. This way you get either a positive incoming balance or a deduction for expenses. Next, for each row beneath the first one, starting from F3, enter this slightly different formula. Equals F2 plus if E3 equals D3 E3. This formula says, take the previous balance and add the current income or subtract the expense if there is one. Drag this formula down as far as you need, and Google Sheets will keep a running tally of your finances, automatically updating every time you enter a new transaction. If you're new to dragging formulas, just click the cell with the formula, then drag the little blue square in the bottom right corner of the cell downward. Now, if you want to take your template one step further, let's add some helpful totals. Just below your table, for example, starting in row 8 or 9, create cells for total income, total expenses, and final balance. In the cell where you want the total income, type equals sum D2 D7. For total expenses, use equals sum E2 E7. And for the final running balance, just refer to the last balance cell, for instance, equals F7. These totals give you a quick snapshot of how your finances look over the period you've tracked. And there you go, you've created a functional, automated bookkeeping template that you can expand, customize, or reuse month after month. Remember, neat record keeping now will save you loads of stress later, especially when it's time to file taxes, review your progress, or plan for growth. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tutorials. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any tips or tools that can help your business or personal finances run smoother. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.